Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a simple plaid, and this is the traditional buffalo plaid colors, but you can also make it in some light colors for a baby blanket or in other colors. And here are just a few things that you can make with buffalo plaid. And I put the written pattern on my blog along with a pattern for some texting gloves. I'm going to work with 3 different colors, black, red, and wine. And I find that keeping them in separate containers helps to keep the yarn from tangling. So I'm going to start with red. And I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. And you're going to start with multiples of 6 plus 2. So I'm going to start with chain 26. No, chain 26. Okay, I have my chain 26. I'm going to double crochet in the 4th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. And double crochet in the next stitch as well. So I have 3 double crochet. That chain is going to take the place of the first double crochet. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Skip the next 3 stitches, double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to repeat that across the row. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip 3, double crochet in the next 3. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip the next 3 stitches, double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Now I have 3 stitches left, so I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to slip stitch in the last stitch. Like that. And I'm going to bring in my next color, so I'm just going to pull it through that last stitch, turn, chain 2, 1, 2, double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And I'm going to bring in my next color, so I'm just going to pull it through that last stitch, turn, chain 2, 1, 2, double crochet in the next 2 stitches. That chain 2 takes the place of the first double crochet. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. That chain 2 takes the place of the first double crochet. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to skip these 3 double crochet, and I've chained 3, and I'm going to come over and I'm going to double crochet in the 3 stitches of the previous row. So double crochet over the chain 3 space in the 3 stitches. And that encloses that chain inside your double crochet stitches. So I'm going to repeat that across the row. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip those 3 double crochet in the 3 stitches of the previous row. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Double crochet in the 3 stitches of the previous row. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch in the last stitch. And now I'm going to bring in my third color, pull it through that last stitch and turn, chain 2, 1, 2, double crochet in the next 2 stitches, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip the next 3 double crochet in the 3 double crochet of the previous row, 1, 2, and 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to repeat that across the row, double crochet in the next 3 double crochet of the previous row, and I'm going right around that chain and working that chain inside. I'm going to repeat across the row, so chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip those, double crochet in these 3 stitches, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch in the last stitch of the row, like that. So I'm just going to keep repeating this row, and I'm working red, wine, black. So now I'm going back to my red, pull it through that stitch, turn, chain 2, 1, 2, double crochet in those 2 stitches, 1, 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip, double crochet in these 3 double crochet, so 1, 2, and 3. And there's how that looks. You're going to continue across the row, chain 3, 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, chain 3, slip stitch in the last stitch. And there's how that will look. You just keep repeating the same color sequence. And this one is black, red, wine, black, red, wine, black, red, wine, all the way up. And so your last row is going to wind up being like this. So I'm going to show you how to complete the last row. So I'm going to bring in my next color and turn, and I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and I'm going to double crochet in these next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and then I'm going to single crochet in these 3 double crochets, so single, 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 double, 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 so double, double, and double, single, 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 like that. So if you can see how that ends your work with an even row instead of having these chain 3 loops. And that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet this buffalo plaid using the simple plaid stitch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.